wicket that goes down, and it looks like we're inching closer to our victory that we were speaking about. Absolutely.
Well, these men in blue and green cannot see, but their spirit and commitment towards the game will put some of the mainstream cricketers to shame.
Catch! What a spectacular catch! India have got their first breakthrough. Pakistan have lost their first wicket. Just what the crowds were waiting for.
Their sense of anticipation, judgment, and the way they throw themselves on the field will make you shed tears of joy.
Beautifully hit and very well fielded. Excellent fielding by the Pakistanis.
It is a shame that one team had to lose. Now that is part and parcel of the game. But it is blind cricket which emerged as a sole winner at the end of it all.
And that's the trophy. India has won the World Cup, the first ever edition of T20 World Cup.
It should act as an eye-opener for mainstream cricketers. India put into bat, got off to a flyer. Ajay Kumar Reddy raised some quick runs.
Ajay Reddy races towards the boundary. 4 more runs for India.
Reddy going for one too many. Missed the line of the ball, but Pakistan skipper Zishan Abbasi was bang on target.
Okay, there's a big appeal. And it seems India have lost their first wicket. Caught very well by the wicket-keeper Nisar Ali.
Pakistan soon reduced India to 52 for 3 in 5 overs with 2 big wickets in Subhash Boya and Ganesh Bhai Busara.
Subhash Boya has departed. News there for Team India. They have lost their third wicket. Ganesh Bhushara, who was the new batsman in, departed.
India's ace batsman Prakash Jairamaya stemmed the rot with some good drives on either side of the park.
Reverse sweep there by Prakash Jairamaya. Things will not be that easy for Pakistan. Beautifully driven. What a shot. What a shot that is. Beautifully driven. No answers whatsoever for the fielder.
Prakash, who had smashed 400 in the series, looks set for his 5th.
Cuts it and it races towards the boundary. Look at that beautiful shot. Well hit. 4 more. Back-to-back boundaries there for Prakash.
But Mohammad Idris had Prakash trapped leg before wicket for 41.
Big appeal there. And the umpire has given it.
Ketan Bhai Patel, however, made sure India post a solid total.
Delivered. And obviously they play very well on the leg side. Another boundary there for India, as signalled by the umpire.
This man from Gujarat has lost sight in both eyes.
Able to use the bat really well, especially the sweeps that they have played so far. And
now then, would you believe this? Look at his anticipation.
The batsman and the wicketkeeper. Is that yet another boundary? Yes, it is. Incredible stuff there.
Ketan Bhai scored 49 runs and that many runs to his original score.
Making full use of that free hit. A free-flowing boundary.
Yes, he falls under B1 category, under which your score will be doubled.
Another boundary comes India's way. Incredible stuff there.
Ketan Bhai walked back to pavilion to a standing ovation.
बहुत पहले अच्छी तरह से खेलना मैंने को सीखा है और हमारा जो कोच सर है वो भी ऐसा आराम से खेलना. वो जो हमारा प्रकाश फ्रेंड था वो आउट हो गया तो थोड़ा ध्यान से खेलना ऐसा बोला तो मैंने सोचा आराम से थोड़ा खेल के बहुत प्रयास किया. मेरे सेंचुरी कोई बात नहीं लेकिन मेरे को इंडिया जिताना है.
India lost a few wickets in the fag end of their innings, but Ketan Bhai's knock made sure the hosts set a challenging target for Pakistan.
If you know your strength, I'm sure that that's what the Pakistanis might have done.
Pakistan began their reply on a solid note. Openers Ali Murtaza and Mohammad Akram set a fine platform with a 50-run stand.
But the Pakistan cricket team definitely though are having an excellent start. So,
alright, not a very pleasant sight for an Indian fan, but I think incredible effort there by the Pakistani batsman.
The B3 category bowlers pegged Pakistan back with some quick blows.
that something like this can happen for blind cricket. Although
what a spectacular catch! What a spectacular catch! India have got their first breakthrough. Pakistan have lost their first wicket in the 7th over. Just what the crowds were waiting for. If the noises in the background are anything to go by, yes, you got it right. Pakistan have lost their second wicket now as the Indians are getting into a huddle. Look at those wild celebrations. They have got their man and they have all the rights to celebrate.
The road who are spilling in just to watch this game of cricket, and there we have it, another wicket goes down, and the amount of energy that comes out whenever
The final had all the ingredients of an India versus Pakistan game. High octane game, fierce competitiveness and some sledging.
maybe we need to try that a lot.
But Pakistan have lost their third wicket, and this certainly comes as a huge blessing for Team India.
The Indian bowlers put the brake on Pakistan charge, plucking wickets at regular intervals.
Very hard, huge, in fact, blow. Well, Pakistan have. This is one more wicket.
Mohammad Jamil threatened to take the game away with some blistering hits.
Have struck another boundary. They're scoring well. It can swing anyways the game at this point in time, and I've got yet another.
But the Indians made sure to contain Pakistan with some tight bowling and a spirited effort in the field.
Like serious world toppers, and they might just outclass any team.
And that's another wicket.
I think nazar laga di maine Pakistan team pe. One more wicket gone. They're throwing themselves there to make sure once again up in the air.
Yes!
And a catch for the wicket keeper.
Oh boy!
Well, chance for a run out. He actually hit the stumps. And Pakistan have lost yet another wicket. A beautiful throw there by Prakash.
Shekhar Nayak's men romped home to a facile 39-run victory en route to their first T20 World Cup crown.
Is it? India have won the World Cup. The inaugural edition of the T20 World Cup for the blind will remain in India. India are the world champions. Thank you Bengaluru, thank you Karnataka for coming out in support of the Indian team. And that is the victory run in the stadium. They have got all the license to celebrate, to party, to enjoy, because they have delivered the goods for the country. They have lifted the inaugural edition of the T20 World Cup for the blind.
Picture this. It's sad that some of them can't even see this moment of glory.
It's a win for the Indian cricket team. It's a win for their attitude, for their determination, for their grit, for their fighting spirit, because all that has paid them off today, because the whole country has risen, has stood up to take note of them and to applaud them.
Absolutely.
Former international cricketers were mighty pleased with the quality of cricket produced by visually impaired.
I was able to witness a couple of games. Sri Lankans playing against India and the Pakistan is playing against India. And it was eye-opening for a lot of us. When you realize the commitment given by these blind cricketers, sometimes you feel that the present generation cricketers doesn't have that commitment. So I just wanted to congratulate all the teams who participated in this tournament, and I just wanted to congratulate the Indian team and the Pakistan team who played a wonderful final, and congratulations to the Indian team for winning this first 2020 World Cup.
Amazing cricket with a new concept to support the visually impaired cricketers. Now this ball which you have just shown, right, I think you can show it again. This is the ball, alright, and this has pebbles in this, and this is the sound which you can hear probably, all those viewers can hear the sound. So the great cricketers follow the sound. You got to roll underarm, you got to bowl, like what Trevor Chappell did in unofficially in a big test match at the international level. Now their sense of anticipation, their sense of reflexes, their sense of the agility is all based on the sound which they hear from the ball, which is amazing. I have compared some of the brilliant effort by these cricketers on the field, particularly on the fielding aspect, when the ball swerves on the ground, which goes in different directions due to the bad bounce or whatever it may be. They anticipate so very well, they judge so very well, and they slide and stop this ball on the field, which is as competent as any international level cricketer who's doing it at the highest level.
Defending champions Pakistan came up with a big-hearted performance before a partisan crowd, but their effort proved too little to further their cause.
टीम तो मेरी थ्रू आउट द टूर्नामेंट बहुत अच्छा खेल रही थी, लेकिन आज जो थोड़ा सा हार्ड लक हुई कि हमारे जो स्पेशली B1 बॉलर्स हैं उन्होंने थोड़ी सी बॉल अच्छी नहीं की, और उनके जो B1 बॉलर्स हैं उन्होंने बॉल भी अच्छी की है और जो है वो बैट भी स्पेशली जो है बैटिंग केतन पटेल नो डाउट, क्योंकि हमने अर्ली जो है विकेट्स ले ली थी और जो है वो अर्ली विकेट्स ले ली थी और उसके बाद बावजूद जो है वो उन्होंने केतन पटेल ने अपनी टीम को संभाला दिया और वो बहुत अच्छा खेला है। और थोड़ा सा ये है कि हमें जो है 2 ओवर का फर्क रहा है, वो इंशाल्लाह अल्लाह ने चाहा तो मजीद कवर हो जाएगा, लेकिन नो डाउट कि इंडिया की टीम की फील्डिंग बहुत अच्छी थी और बॉलिंग बहुत अच्छी थी।
Wonderful bit of fielding there. Wonderful bit of fielding there. I think the Indians are throwing themselves on the ground.
बहुत अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट हुआ जी इंडिया में और बड़ा कोऑपरेट किया है स्पेशली डॉक्टर्स ने मेरे साथ और बहुत अच्छा जो है वो मैं इंडिया में महसूस कर रहा हूँ और अब मैं परफेक्टली फिट हूँ।
It wasn't blind cricket. It was a blinder indeed.
India has won the World Cup, the first ever edition of T20.
जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो मैं करता हूँ, जो मैं नहीं बोलता वो मैं डेफिनेटली करता हूँ।
For this splendid to call it one boundary. Yes, it is. Kind of underprepared for it. This one, that's beautiful down on the offside. Bit of a one of the regular intervals. Dance continues. Ground
शाम का